that I associate with my heritage is fried chicken and watermelon. And mostly because from where I'm from in Dothan, like, that's a big thing. Like, a lot of people I know in Dothan eat fried chicken. There's like 3 or 4 chicken restaurants, KFCs and churches and Popeyes and Bojangles. They're everywhere. And we go to those places a lot. But they're connected to my heritage, black heritage, because slaves, for slaves, that was mostly, it was easy for them to catch and feed, and it was a good source of meat. And, excuse me, it was like a big part of Southern diet. But mostly, it's just good. It's good food. And it kind of was a racist thing because I guess country black people eat fried chicken. And watermelon is another food. And we have like watermelon stands like way out in the country where I'm from. They're like watermelon stands everywhere. And watermelon's like, it's finger food. It's like messy and really doesn't need table manners, and that's another race thing. That was kind of how, it's kind of what white people thought about black people, that we were messy and dirty, and so that's what I think about, sort of kind of, when I think about fried chicken and watermelon.